Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to talk to you about a project that I think is going to do very well, and it is massively underpriced right now. The project we're talking about today is called SUI. We all know SUI, I think, and if you don't, you should be getting involved with it because it's massively underpriced. So SUI is one of the next best blockchains out there right now, being a layer 1, 297,000 transactions per second, and time to finality at 400 ms. Okay, so very good statistics, and in this video we're going to be breaking it down from a fundamental perspective, a technical analysis perspective, to see where we can be making some money right now and see how underpriced this asset is, right? Now before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you guys about a brand new project here that is about to launch. They've got a 93% positive rating on CoinMarketCap, and they already have a user base of 22,000 users. Okay, remember, this project hasn't launched yet, and they've got all of these things already, so it's very bullish. I'm just going to pass you over to the CEO, who's going to basically give you a little breakdown on the project itself.
All right, guys, I am here to talk about Grapecoin, or GRP. There are 5 reasons why I believe Grape will be a top 20 coin within 6 months. Number 1, Grape is the most powerful chain ever created. Every single user node adds 1,000 transactions per second. So it is infinitely sustainable with 100 million, 200 million, even 500 million transactions per second within possibility. Why is that a big deal? Number 2, it is a big deal because Grape's chain's main use case is powering a completely decentralized internet economy, essentially running a mass adoption Web3 by having a chain powerful enough to allow the most complex and crazy real-world games and applications to go on-chain. This is Web4 in a big way. Number 3, there are 2 big announcements coming. One of them is a partnership with an AI company, and this partnership will allow apps to be created in seconds on GrapeChain with only a few prompts. That's huge because no one has ever done it before, but also because it can lead to thousands of applications being created on GrapeChain within even the first week. Okay, so the second announcement is literally them working with a country, and in my opinion, it is unparalleled. Number 4, GRP has half the circulating supply of Bitcoin, so its supply is tiny. And number 5, it is about to be relaunched. And you might say, like, why is a relaunch massive? Well, if you've seen other coin relaunches like Matic to Polygon, it surged 7,000%. And that's because it's taking something proven that we've seen the market with before and fixing the issues that it had and then relaunching into something better. GRP was trading at almost $1,000 a coin without any of the functionality that it has and without any of the announcements that it has. Right now you can buy it cheaper than $3 before the relaunch, which is currently at its lowest price. And that is why I believe Grape will lead the market next year.
Now, I genuinely believe in this project being the first Web3 infrastructure for a decentralized internet. It looks really good overall. And guys, they are actually launching they've just launched a 66% bonus campaign for anyone that gets involved with this project now. So if you buy $1,000 worth, okay, or sorry, $3,000 worth, you're actually gonna get a massive bonus on whatever you deposit. So you can see 1,000 there, you're gonna get 1,660 of the coins, a 66% bonus, which is absolutely huge. Now this basically makes it a $1 per coin situation here, and this bonus is dropping every single day, and there's basically rumors right now that this coin is going to be launched at literally like $15 a coin, guys. So the upside here is absolutely huge. And just keep in mind, the last time that this project was launched in previous cycles here, they were actually trading at $1,000 a coin. So getting involved even at a $15 per coin is just absolutely huge upside for us here. Anyway, let's get into the SUI chart and let's get into the SUI video here. So you can see here that SUI is as I said, a layer 1 blockchain. They've got some very innovative companies on SUI, currently at a $10 billion market cap, with an all-time high market cap here of literally $14.72 billion. And that was at a price of just under $5 a coin. currently trading at $2.80 a coin. Seriously underpriced in my opinion. If you can get SUI below $3, it's absolutely almost criminal. Okay, listed on all major exchanges. In the last day, it's up 10%. In the last 7 days, it's down 22%. In the last month, it's down 26%, just due to that massive crash. So right now, guys, is the perfect time to be buying and getting involved with SUI project. Okay, now let's get into some TA and really dissect as to what is going on here. If you guys do want to trade SUI and you want to buy it at a good price, go to the link in the description. BitUnex have got a really good deposit deal over on their exchange, and essentially you get cheaper fees for using my link as well. So it's a massive win-win across the board. So go check them out. They're a non-KYC exchange too, guys. So you can see here, SUI was on a really nice sort of uptrend for quite a while, hitting that all-time high. Naturally, lovely pullback here, and then again another little pullback from a nice little spike up in May, and just genuinely trading quite comfortably in this area. Okay, quite comfortably in this area for a significant amount of time, actually more like this area for a significant amount of time. Now that is a range between $2.80 and you can see on this top side that we tapped many times, $4.20. Now, if you are going to be buying at this level right now, which again is an absolute steal to be doing so, and then holding it to the top side here, that's a 52% gain here on your investment, guys. And that is literally like you put in 5 grand, you're going to be walking away with literally like $7,500 here, which is just really good profit margins across the board here. And SUI is a very reliable project as well, guys. I do want to know your thoughts of SUI in the comment section, guys. I'm intrigued for that. You can see stochastic here on the daily, super low. Momentum here on the low as well. It needs to basically reverse. Okay, this usually happens here. You can see the reversals when it gets to this sort of this lower side level. It does actually reverse quite aggressively. You can see here, if we just stay on that, you can see bang, nice move to the upside here. We got down to this low side here. Bang, nice move to the upside here. Again, nice move to the upside here. These are not small moves at all, okay? I'm talking literally 10, 20% on your investment, guys. And this is only at a spot position here. So you can imagine if you're leveraging this, the opportunity for the upside is huge. Okay, so that's what I would say about SUI right now. Massive underpriced asset. I actually bought it down at $2.44 or 46, I think it was, just after we crashed here, because I thought, you know what, it's an absolute steal at this price. I've got to get some more just for a lovely DCA opportunity. And now this thing, even if it does dump down again, I will just be buying more continuously all the way down, because it's a very, very reliable project. There's a lot of institutions here and a lot of major blue chip products and projects and companies, worldwide companies as well, that are building on SUI, that have built on SUI. Look at Alibaba Cloud, for example. They're built on SUI. And SUI is one of the first wallets to actually bridge the massive gap between Web 2 and Web 3. So SUI actually make it possible to start up a Web 3 wallet with your Google account. Okay, so maybe they're going to partner with Google, who knows, but at this point in time, to bridge that gap and have that ease of use for retail, it's a massive onboarding tool, and definitely a reason why I think SUI should be in your portfolio. Obviously not financial advice, guys. You have to do your own research here, but in my opinion, SUI is massively underpriced, and we will see this thing literally way above $5 very soon. I'm probably talking $10, $20 within probably a few years or so. Okay, so great investment, guys. Great project, great utility, great use case, great affiliation with blue chip companies as well, and just overall, it's a blue chip product. It's a blue chip project in my book. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. Nice fly on my face. Thank you ever so much for watching. Drop a little like on your way out if you found any sort of value here. That is going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.